Hello, TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to my video. Today, we will share the technical analysis of Magic Coin. First of all, we can say that there is a descending wedge formation here, and if we show it by drawing it like this, as you can see, there is a descending wedge formation here. And actually, with the upward break of this wedge, we can draw a target from here. The first target would be around the level of 2.55. Of course, these are long-term processes, friends. But ultimately, the chart here indicates that. Additionally, we see that there is a downtrend in this section. What matters is the upward break of the downtrend. At the same time, it seems that the wedge is approaching its end. Approximately, even though it would be 49 days from this date to that date, we can see that the price movements are currently holding onto the level of 0.6537, and we can anticipate that the upward movement may start from this level. Currently, the level of 1.10 is important for us, because it has served as both support and resistance in the past, and currently, it is acting as resistance for us. Therefore, the level of 1.10 is an important resistance zone for us, and our first target is at this point. From the current level, it implies an approximate 40% increase to reach that level. Additionally, we can say that there may be intermediate resistance and support zones. Approximately, the level of 0.98, which is around this point, will serve as an intermediate resistance zone for us. Now, let's slowly continue our analysis from our indicators. If we look at the moving averages, currently, the price has broken above the 8-day moving average, and actually, for the medium-term uptrend to continue or start, or rather, for the blue line, which represents the 50-day moving average, to break above in an upward direction, we would prefer that. In this situation, we can say that there is an indication of the beginning of an uptrend in price movements, and we can expect good results in the medium term. Currently, there is number 200-day moving average, but it will likely appear in the coming days. However, since it will be a new addition, we cannot confidently rely on its accuracy. It has been approximately 190 days now, so we will see the 200-day moving average in about 10 days. But, as mentioned, it may not provide us with a reliable result. What matters here is the upward break of the 50-day moving average, which coincides with the resistance section of the downtrend. It's important to keep this in mind. If we look at the Bollinger Bands, the price movements have reached the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, and the upward break of this middle line is significant for us. This middle line corresponds to the 20-day moving average, and its upward break indicates the upward break of the downtrend. In other words, when the downtrend is broken, both the moving averages will be broken in an upward direction, the Bollinger Bands will be broken in an upward direction, and the downtrend will be broken in an upward direction, thereby giving us a strong buy signal from three aspects. Now, if we continue our analysis from our indicators, of course, the indicators share past buy signals with us. Approximately on June 16th, Friday, a buy signal occurred, and we can see that there has been a 10% increase since that buy signal. However, relying solely on a single indicator for trading would not be wise. It is important to be cautious and consider different technical analysis indicators rather than relying solely on indicators. After closing our Fisher indicator, let's take a look at our WAVA trend indicator. On June 17th, WAVA trend provided us with a buy signal and indicated that if there is no downward break, the price could continue to rise. After closing WAVA trend, let's finally check our RSI indicator. RSI is nicely breaking its average range value in an upward direction. It is currently heading towards the 50 level. If the 50 level is broken to the upside, we may see further upward movement in price. Breaking above the 50 level signifies the continuation of the trend. It's important to keep this in mind. It would be favorable for the level to move above our hands. Let's also mention here that after closing our RSI indicator, we should switch to a 4-hour time frame for our analysis. As we can see, we can draw an ascending trend line from the lower side. Additionally, if we do the same from the upper side, like this, we can see that an ascending trend channel has formed. We have about an hour left for the 4-hour period to close, and if it closes in this manner, we can say that there might be further upward movement in price. This is significant. In fact, if we consider this part, we can see that it is touching the zero level around 77 to 86, which is in the region it is currently in. This region is important for us. If price breaks above this region in an upward direction, we may see further upward movement in price. Looking at the daily time frame, we can also say that it represents a resistance zone that we missed. However, we captured that resistance zone in the 4-hour time frame. I don't think we will go below those levels. If that were to happen, of course, we could go down to the 0.46 level. However, both the moving averages and the price breakouts, as well as the indicators, are providing us with very positive results. Now we can say that Magic Coin can reach good levels. Yes, we can conclude our video slowly. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Magic Coin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.